Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question 75 plus in the parenthesis 27 divide in the second parenthesis 9 multiply 1. Okay, so now let's solve this problem correctly. But before I solve this question, I want to see your answer. So please stop this video right now and comment your answer with step by step. I will give you score from out of 10. Okay. So now let's see how many score you will get. Okay. Before you comment your answer, you can check the correct solution by play this video. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. So PEMDAS, PEM DAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So in this question, we have one addition and one parenthesis. So first priority is parenthesis. Okay. So now in this parenthesis, we have one division and one another parenthesis. So first we have to solve this parenthesis, then we have to solve this division. Okay. So is equal to 75 plus in this parenthesis 27 divide. Now solve this parenthesis, 9 multiply 1 is equal to 9. Okay, now here is one addition and here is one parenthesis. So first priority is parenthesis. So is equal to 75 plus, now 27 divided by 9 is equal to 3. Okay. So now 75 plus 3 is equal to 78. So the correct answer is 78. Okay. If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.